I thought so. What the trade recap? Okay, this is going to be a trade recap for 29th January 2026. Today was almost um, a very, very worst day, to be honest. Like, it is the worst day because I did take, ended up taking 16 trades, honestly. Like, I didn't even realize that I took 16 trades. That's the problem. And all the trades are with convictions. Nothing is based off gambling or like nothing is like that. All right. I didn't trade this whole ass move. I was like literally sitting and watching the shit go through my eyes. Like it was literally falling down and I couldn't do shit about it. I couldn't do shit about it. So I thought of like waiting. My whole bias was to be bullish. If the this is what I was expecting. I didn't actually expect the price to expand this bad, to be honest. I wanted to see Asian low sweep, go back into this fair value gap, and then give us a market structure shift and inversion right here and continue going up, taking out London high. So that's what the initial plan, right? So I was actually looking for that. I was actually looking for the price to like do that shit. I literally didn't do nothing about it, nothing like that. So probably Tuesday slow, Monday slow, everything has been swept out. Like I didn't expect this, right? So this is an unfilled 15-minute fair value. That's where my trade started working out. So I got a 30-second fair value gap right here. So once price came back in the mid, that's where I took my first entry. I took three entries right around here. So first entry didn't work out, second entry, third entry, right around here. Third entry was after this. Second entry was after this 1 minute inversion. Third entry was after this 1 minute fair value gap tap. Oh, nothing worked out basically, like a break even or like it was a tiny loss and stuff like that. I was continuously losing, continuously taking trades right here. I lost it, to be honest, I lost it. Uh I couldn't do nothing. And again we got another displacement and an inversion right here, fair value gap. I got stopped out. Again, I got into a sell position. I got stopped out at break even. Again, I got into a buy position. It was literally I mean, I was constantly changing stuff, like because like you got another low right here as the price was dropping like that, shit, dropping like shit. I thought, okay, this entry was valid, and once this got inversed, and I thought, okay, the price is gonna go down to till here. It fucked up, bro. Honestly, fucked up. So one more thing I did was right here. We got this after probably a 30-second inversion, maybe a displacement or a change in state delivery. And this trade, why this trade didn't work out? Let me tell you why this didn't work out. This inversion didn't work out, right? So the reason we didn't have a displacement, first things first. And once you got it, if you get any sort of inversion like this, see the price, what it's actually doing. Literally what it's doing, it's actually didn't actually close about this high and we are creating a tiny fair value gap right here. That's a different story, but still, we didn't actually close about this high and also didn't actually even sweep this high. So which means basically it is saying the price is still gonna go down. Uh, even right here, look at this. Even after this liquidity sweep, a chain state delivery, we got a chain state delivery, and still we got this 30-second, I mean 1 minute fair value gap. Didn't work out. Came back down here. Look at this. We sweep we sweep this low right here. And then there's a tiny fair value gap. And price came back into it, holding it, and came back down. Literally same thing happened here, came back down. Same thing happened here, came back down. Uh it was literally trending down today. I was stupid enough to actually trust the inversions, and this is literally stupid, to be honest. I know for a fact that this not gonna work out, and I still did take this trade. So I literally went on a tilt mode today. Honestly, I couldn't save. God saved me actually today. If not for God, I mean, bro, I'm telling you, even after this inversion, I got into a position right here. I literally top ticked this trade, didn't actually make any profits, came back up. Probably, I didn't actually, I had a limit order right there and didn't actually execute it, and got into a position right here, closed it right around here, got into another position right here, break even, another position, like somewhere like this. I was literally doing that shit, taking a trade, breaking even it, I mean, taking a trade, breaking even, taking a trade, break even. So if you see this, you have this whole move, right? So what do you actually see right here is 50 to 75% retracement. And you got this fair value gap right here that has been inversed. And look at this. And once again, price came back down to this. Even look at here, look at here, look at look, 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 look. You have to see it. You have to at least see a sweep above this low. We didn't actually do that. That's the reason why this fair value gap was still valid, and the price ended up going up again. I mean, it is pretty bad that I did what I did today. Why couldn't I actually wait for this entry? Like, I mean, I know I should have to wait for an obvious trade from this whole move. I could find one obvious trade was we can't actually think that way, right? You still have this one liquidity right here, but look at this. It already swept out. What do you call this low? Like that's a prominent low, like eight mini. What's that New York low, which is really, really, really prominent, and we are not gonna expect that the price is about to go up again or like go. I mean, price is about to go down again. I really don't know what happened today, but whatever happened, um, I did something wrong today. I have to fix it. I was down $1,000 and I was down probably around like $700 per account. And then I climbed back up again and I'm in almost $250 down today, which is really bad. And this is not actually recommendable for me. Like if I really wanted to like actually go a long term with this thing, uh, the thing that I am doing right now won't work out, and I really know it myself, but I still keep doing the same shit. It, I was following risk management until here, until this whole zone. After that, it is altered more like after this, right here. After this is all till I thank myself to actually lock myself out, and I should have done it right around here, where when I was like actually down a $150, but I still kept going, and I lost more than I should be losing, and I don't know, I don't even feel like doing a journal today, but it is what it is. And even if I would have let this trade run a little bit longer and till here, look at the risk management. Honestly, this was the exact risk that I kept on the screen. Once I got a push up, breaking the trade, and after that, it literally I was trailing. Let me zoom in like this so that we could actually look into the main picture. Like I was literally trailing. Once this candle closed, I was having my stop loss up here. Once this candle go up, I was having my stop loss up here. Once this candle go up, I was having my stop loss up here. Once this candle go up, I was having my stop loss up here, and it got stopped out right really quick. Um, It is really, 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 really bad. I mean, I don't know, bro. I I literally caught this move. I was having a sell right here. I could have just let it run. This was an obvious entry. After a change state, we got a 1 minute fair value gap, and that 1 minute fair value gap is still holding. We still got a liquidity after this drop. You could expect the price to go lower, and still we got liquidity down there. But I don't know, man. I just literally want to cry right now for what I did, and I cannot change it. I cannot. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to not to actually overtrade or not to actually do stuff that I'm not supposed to do, but still it's really, really, really hard for me to actually follow these things. I don't know. I'm lost and I cannot set up a rules. I cannot like actually know myself. It's like that. I feel like I'm kind of lost with this thing, and it is actually killing our social life. It is actually killing everything, honestly speaking. I'm, 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 I cannot go talk to somebody. I cannot actually have a regular conversation with somebody. It's like 24 bar 7. I'm constantly thinking about this shit like 7-Eleven. Even the moment I wake up from my bed, I'm thinking about this. When I go to when I'm taking a shower out and I'm pooping, or even doing some random shit, regular shit that we actually do every single time. Every single time, this is the one thing that is going in my mind, and I cannot take this out of my mind. And I am really, really so deep into this shit, and it is actually killing me. And this is where a lot of people quit. But I didn't lose much today. I recovered them all, but what I did was wrong, and I cannot reverse it. I cannot actually change the fact that whatever I did, and I cannot erase them, right? But bloody hell, bro. Anyways, I'm still here, and I'll still keep going. That's the only thing that matters, um, and that's about it. I guess I'm out. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible if you believe in God, bro. Just do it. And I'm out. Adios.